Hello YouTubers and welcome back to the Crypto Elite channel. Today we're going to be discussing the current state of the crypto market. Throughout the night we have taken a slight dive. Every coin is pretty much down between 6 to 8%. We have breached, major support lines and moving averages. So I'm just going to take you through what I see and what I expect next. The coins that we're going to be discussing today is Bitcoin, Ethereum and Vechain. So we're going to start off with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is on screen. Bitcoin has breached below its 200-week moving average. I never expected this because, throughout history, we've always ranged above the 200-week moving average. As you can see, we've had slight dips below, and when we have dipped below, we've always rocketed straight back up. Sorry. So we've dipped a little bit below. We're down by 6% on the daily, but we're still ranging within this upward moving fractal. Currently, right now, we are still setting higher lows. So as you can see, it's higher than this point there, higher than this point there, higher than this point here, and higher than this point there. Hopefully it stops here and starts retracing back to the upside and starts trading above the 200-week moving average and carry on with its plan to break out of this red zone here, which is a 0.236 Fibonacci retracement. So we just got to watch this chart throughout the day. Hopefully we could get a green candle close, because it's, throughout this whole upward fractal, we have seen moves to the downside. We've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candle wicks there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's that? 7 candle wicks there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, on average, we are moving between 6 to 7 red candles down before we have that big swing back up. So I don't think it's anything major concerning because we have breached the 200-week moving average before. And, this is literally retraced pretty much a day or a day and a half later back above the moving average. So we just got to wait this one out with Bitcoin. Ethereum, as you can see, we are still trading within this upward moving fractal. I have had to slightly adjust this chart from my previous video, but looking at this chart, we haven't breached this just yet. We are still ranging on top, but it's the same for Ethereum as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles below before we wick up. 4 candles there, 4 candles there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles there. We are currently on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. This is a big wick, but as you can see, we've had a big wick there to the downside, but immediately reversed back up. So hopefully it's the same case with Ethereum, that we ain't going to take too much of a dive and we ain't going to breach our major support levels. On to Vechain now. Vechain, I've had to slightly adjust this chart as well because you can see there's an upward trend line here. So we've touched it 4 times and we have bounced back off. I'm hoping that this will bounce back up and carry on going on this upward trend fractal. We are still yet to even go anywhere near our 200-week moving average for Vechain, which is around about 4 cents. But I don't look at this red chart as a major downer in my portfolio. I look at this as a buying opportunity. It's all psychological. You never buy on a green candle, you buy on the red. So potentially this could be a good buying opportunity for Vechain just to get cheaper prices. So we're going to keep track of this. I'm going to be releasing updates, updating you guys on what I think the market's going to do next. So if you haven't already done so, please like, please subscribe and stay up to date. If you subscribe, you get to see the videos the second that I release them, and we could capitalize off of these downfalls by buying in at the right moment. So subscribe and thank you for watching.